What's up? What are we doing today?
Inappropriate stuff.
Inappropriate stuff? We're gonna do a fuel pump on Matt Santa Fe. It's for 2008, in case anybody wants to know.
I already made mistakes today.
He's not having a good day, by the way. Anyways, he made a quantity error on coil packs.
I'm telling you, I didn't make an error. Rock Auto made the error. Alright? I'm telling you.
Yeah. So we were gonna do spark plugs as well and coil packs, but that's we'll wait on that because we didn't get enough. We only got one instead of 6. The subs are out. The rest of the trunk is empty, and then we're gonna do a fuel pump and hope that fixes his low gas issue. Yeah. So we'll see how that goes. So anyways, we're gonna take out some stuff and then we'll see you in a second.
Those hands and lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't give up this feeling that I get when looking down from the sky.
What are those called? Parcel shelves?
No, it's a rear storage compartment. Where's my 14?
Alright, so we got the rear storage compartments out. It's a bunch of 10mm bolts. Yeah, this guy's gross.
In my defense, it wasn't me, alright. Multiple previous owners, and it's a pain to try and vacuum out the rear seat.
You got a brush?
Absolutely not. You got a vacuum?
Not that I see.
Sick. We'll leave the dirt in it.
Yeah, what he said. Anyways, so now we gotta take out 14mm bolts for the rear seats. Matt only got the fuel pump and not the other sending unit because we didn't know that there was 2. So we're only gonna take out the driver's seat because that's that side that the fuel pump's on. It'll be alright. Worst case, we'll just do the other one later.
Oh. Hey, you wanna move all that stuff out the back?
Alright.
Oh, I got $1! So far I've made $1.75.
So, 4 seatbelt bolts. One there, one there, and there. Those 3 are the same. And then this one's a little bit thicker, but they're still 14mm. And then there's a seatbelt bolt there that you can get with a wrench without removing that. It takes a little bit, but you don't have to remove that side if you're only doing this side. Now we're gonna peel back the carpet. Aye, look at that.
Yeah, buddy was
right
like,
there.
So they suggest that you vacuum out your stuff from the back seat so you don't get stuff dropping into the tank, but we're just not gonna drop stuff.
I might have a broom. We could just like brush it away.
We're just not gonna drop stuff.
Well, yeah, we'll just be careful. But yeah.
Yeah. So we'll do that first before I decide to do this.
Yeah.
Just in case.
All right, we're gonna pop that cover off and then we'll get back to you guys. Alright, where do we get? Okay, so both of the connectors are undone. One of them is this guy, and then the other one is this guy. And then the evap hose is really easy because you just push on the middle clip and pull that out. And this one's a little tricky. There's a blue clip on top which locks the white one underneath, and then we had to take the white one out from underneath, which is this guy right here. He's little. So that one sits underneath. Do you have the blue one on you?
I got the pieces, yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the blue one was broken. So it went to bye-bye. Yeah. There it is. So the blue one's like a double safety thing, I guess, because it's pressurized. So
like that.
So this one goes in like so. Oh, I guess if I show them better. So this one goes in like so, and then the blue one comes down and locks on in between that guy. Be careful, because we pulled the ECU fuse and the relay and both of the connectors, or sorry, yeah, the fuel pump fuse and the relay and both of the connectors, and it still was pressurized.
Yeah.
So just like soak it with a bunch of rags and stuff. Now we're gonna hammer this fuel pump ring thingy out. It's all rusty and stuff, but it just rotates out. So once we get that out, we'll figure out what we need to swap over with the new one. That's the lock ring. It was a pain to work out, but we got it out. Where's the old one?
In the oil thing.
In the oil thing? There's the old one. As you can see, she's all crusty.
Lift from the top, and oh no, she didn't do it this time.
Yeah, I almost dropped the whole tank, or the whole thing inside of it.
Because separate
yeah,
from here.
Yeah.
But yeah, no sock.
No sock. No sock. Weird.
Just the float.
Weird.
Doesn't look damaged, but it is a little.
It's probably.
Focus. There.
No, it was in a shadow. Doesn't look the greatest.
No.
Yeah.
Hopefully that's what's wrong, and I don't have to do the other side because you know I only ordered one side.
Hopefully. Hey, the other float looks smaller. Hold on, this is really difficult with one hand.
I got you.
I got it.
All right, so you're the one doing it the difficult way nowadays.
Yep.
Sick.
Oh, it is the same.
Yeah.
Is it the same? Is it the same?
Should be information.
Yeah, it's the same. Okay. So that's the same. Alright.
I will assemble.
Yeah, so we're gonna assemble this real quick and then shove it inside. Inside him.
No, 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 no!
Oh yeah. Get it away.
Yeah, I know, we have a workbench, but my brother's garage is a bit of a mess.
No big deal. Look at that. 8-man hands. No big deal.
Huh?
What?
Eight-man hands?
Yeah, man.
Wow. Wow, eh? 8-man hands.
Okay. What else we got here? Nothing, because Guinness already did the thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
We did stuff.
Yeah. we undid the Circle Boy. We got the Pumpy Boy out. That's the new one over there, sitting pretty. You know, assembled. Which, the assembly was literally one step, so sick. I cheated this time.
Alright, so we got a bunch of dirt out of there. And if you can see, it looks way cleaner than it used to. Sorry about the lighting, folks. Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna drop the next fuel pump in, and then, oh, we gotta fish out that one hose I dropped inside the tank by accident. Oops. Yeah, so we'll grab that, fish out the other one, and then put it all back together, and then get back to you. This guy's going commando.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
Just jam it in there, buddy. Oh, that's cold.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I dropped it again.
You dropped it again.
I got it. Oh, yeah. There she blows. Tuck it. I can't. Yeah. I'm gonna try to tuck it. It's not gonna tuck, and it's gonna go right back in.
Here, just give me the thing.
Grab it. Got it.
Yeah, I got it. I got it. Never mind. We're just gonna show you guys the fuel pump install. apparently.
Yeah, 2 seconds.
So I'll connect this guy first.
I got it.
Should just be pushed. Yep. Clippy clippy. And then don't get in there.
Flashlight. Hold it.
Yep. Yep. Yeah, it's a bit of a maneuver. Yeah, that one's the most difficult, bro. They got stuck on everything for me.
Oh. Okay.
There you go.
Drop it like it's hot. Well, drop it like it's lukewarm.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's out the way. Yeah, this is out the way. Okay, this one, it does have...
Huh? Yeah, so that faces to the passenger side.
Where's the arrow? Shine up here? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that arrow faces the passenger side.
It's just not going.
What?
Oh, it's because the springs.
Oh, yeah. Or singular spring or whatever.
Okay. Hoity doity doy. Like this?
I think
or
so.
like directly that way?
Well, it sits in between these two.
In between those two?
Yeah. Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
Oh, that would
And then
explain
you're
it.
squeezing. Yeah.
Some splaining to do here.
Yeah.
Nah,
Like so. Hold on, don't connect it yet.
I'm not going to. I'm just moving it.
You gotta get the ring.
Oh, I was like,
yeah.
right.
If it springs up, it's not a big deal.
Yeah, no, I'm just trying to maneuver some shit. This is so. Don't break it, Matt. King of breaking shit over here.
I mean, you could leave the fuel pump alone. Alright. She's all installed. Everything is connected again. So now he's gonna put the relay back in and the fuse back in. And we're gonna prime it and see if we have any leaks. Because that's something you should always make sure you check before you just get in and go. Right, Matt?
Yeah.
So we got no leaks, but that seems about accurate.
That's good, man.
Yeah, just over half a tank. Seems about accurate. You might have to prime it a couple times because the whole thing is dry. There we go. Look at that.
RPMs got really high.
Well, yeah, because we were trying to stall it before.
Yeah.
So the computer's probably all crazy and stuff. Ah, she works pretty good. And you got gas.
I got gas.
He's no longer out of gas, folks.
For now.
Mission accomplished.
Until I actually run out of gas.
Yeah. Alright, time to seal this up, put all the seats back in, and we'll see you next week for the spark plugs.
Bye. We did it.
We put all the garbage back in.
Yeah.
Everything is done. Oh, it was meant to be. We found a little banana hidden in his car.
Yeah.
It's a little toy banana.
Little
So,
banana
yeah.
boy.
Yeah, this was a good banana time.
Yeah.
It actually worked. We fixed stuff.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I was gonna film stuff yesterday too on my car because my door lock actuator broke and it locked me out of the car, so I had to get in from the driver's side or from the passenger side for like 2 weeks.
It was hilarious. You should have seen it.
Oh my god, I'm such a jerk. No, it was pretty funny for most guys. But I wasn't really feeling that great, so we didn't film it. I filmed an intro and that was it. So we're going to scrap that footage. Sorry, guys.
But it did get done.
Yeah, also, it was like not... It was definitely NSFW because we had to break a lot of stuff. I had to break the door, basically. The whole actuator thing.
Yeah.
Did we stop? No, I threw out the pieces of it.
This is what we have left.
Yeah, that little guy. Yeah. Yeah. Honda, I'm disappointed.
Yeah, guy.
Anyways, this is done. Next week, we're gonna figure out what to do with his spark plugs because somebody only ordered 1 coil pack.
I'm telling you, I ordered 6 and they only shipped me 1. And then they lied on the receipt and was like, no, bro, you only ordered 1. So I can't even fight it. But I only paid for 1. But I'm telling you, I ordered 6. I put 6 in twice. I did.
So you ordered 12?
No. 6 plugs, 6 packs. Should have been good. Was not good. So next week.
Next week or the week after, we're going to do the spark plugs. Because that's a whole ordeal. You got to take the intake off. So I figured that'd be a good little how-to as well.
Yeah. Don't be stupid like me, because this will be the second time. Because we replaced the plugs at first, because I couldn't afford the packs. So then I was like, I can afford the packs. Got more plugs, more packs. Was going to do it all in one shot, plus the oil change. And then turns out, I only got 1.
But since we don't have to do a fuel pump again, I might do my struts at the same time.
Might as well.
Bye.
Till next time, it's your boy!